Okay, what we have today is the air cannon with the 12-foot extended barrel. I believe I'm running at, let's see, 120 psi. We're still building up pressure. It'll continue building. The target, 3/16 aluminum diamond plate with a, looks like 3/4 inch press board and a 1/2 inch plywood sandwiched together. Let's see what kind of destruction we get. Here's the projectile. It's looks like a 112 gram aluminum bullet basically. Nice, all the way to the back. Alright, we should be at the 110 psi at least. Looks like it, yep. Here's a little control module I built. Alright, safe to fire. 3, 2, 1.
How did that go? It kept going.